everyone, welcome to another episode of Chilling with Grace. I'm your host Talia, and today I'm joined by a couple of baddies.
Keep a distance, Cecile.
Stay over there, so.
First up, we have the original bad girl Cecile and one of the baddest YouTubers out there, Tanaania.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. A joke, but make sure to subscribe to Grace YouTube here. Yeah, right now, subscribe right now.
Alright guys, I can tell you two mean business. I mean, only one person can win. An early signs show, it's gonna be a tight race. So let's get cooking.
The cooking and the nails now go work, so me have a gloves up. Cecile don't know nothing about this because she not have long nails.
In case you ladies haven't realized just yet, this show is all about serving up fun, food, and winners. So let's check out those winning recipes. Tanaania, you always cook?
Sometimes, take your time. Shh. Not a big chef, but you know we can do the things.
Cecile look like she's ready, you know. Cecile, you always
watch
cook?
that, that's how she always look.
But now watch she over there, so 6 feet or wherever she there. I'm good, ready.
Yeah man, kick start your thing.
Grace, turn up the heat in the kitchen. Turn up the heat in the kitchen.
Some girl can't even walk me car. Oh, you want me to already?
Long time. Long time you late, long time.
I have a quick game I want to play with you too. This one is going to test your Jamaican-ness. One at a time, I'll ask a series of rapid fire questions. The person who gets the most answers correct wins. Let's go. What's another name for a sham?
A blanket.
Mash up corn with sugar.
Savlamar is the capital of?
I'm gonna come from Jamaica next.
Westmoreland.
What is the Grace slogan?
It's got to be good. Bring
Good taste to life.
Spell Callaloo.
Callalloo.
Calloo.
Name 2 Grace ketchup flavors.
Okay. The regular one and the spicy one.
Tomato and hot and spicy.
Who is on the $1 coin?
I'm not spend small money. Come again.
The $1 coin. The $1 coin, Bustamante.
What kind of yard dreadlocks na live in?
In brother.
Too much watch it. Tenement yard.
How many eyes are in Mississippi?
MISSISSIPPI. 4.
4.
Name a food that starts with a Z.
Zucchini.
Zebra. Zebu steak, actually. A lot of people don't know that you can actually eat these things.
Name a tropical rhythms flavor.
My favorite flavor, girl, reggae medley.
Name a tropical rhythms flavor.
You know what? Ask Tanaania. Our house full of it. I don't know. The way me love this, I will eat it just like this out the tin.
Straight out, you eat corned
You don't
beef.
know nothing about them something, yeah, girl.
Like you tell, season it with look onion and look tomato.
No,
Crackers that.
Cecile said she would eat the corned beef straight out the tin.
Yeah,
just
Straight
pop
out the
top.
tin. No, me for
Well,
look up black pepper on it, look onion, cook it up.
Alright, scallion, little scallion. Watch me. Don't ramp with me, girl.
What you do?
Scallion, you know,
Do it again,
wala.
Yeah, but do it again, mama.
Wala.
Sprinkle.
Oh, God.
Alright.
Watch out.
All right.
Yeah.
Grace, turn up the heat. Grace, turn up now.
You know you want your corned beef to have taste. Already taste good, but you just want to add a little flavor in.
Grace, turn up the heat in the kitchen. Turn up the heat in the kitchen. Grace, turn up the heat in the kitchen. Turn it up. Grace, turn up the heat in.
Girl, you better can cook. Think you there.
You for your pretty looks, you want live a restaurant and come done man bank book.
Cecile, no.
Who taught you how to cook, Tanaania?
Actually, my mom.
Your mom?
Yes. My mom is the best cook I know.
So Tanaania, why the spoon make so much noise? The spoon scrape the pot.
To ensure say
By
it
the
well
time
mixed
she
out,
done,
you don't
the
want
pot
any
butter
of
with
it
the food.
stick.
I tell you, she
You think
don't,
you're
she
gonna make it
can't
burn?
cook.
Mommy, big up.
Chef Badiadi, I gonna put in a little heavy cream.
What you mixing up there, Tanaania?
My salsa. You know you have to have a little salsa on your tacos.
Guys, this is so easy. You can do this at home if you never cooked before.
What's your go-to meal, Cecile?
You know, say corned beef. Worse, them go do the reduced corned beef, the reduced salt where they every supermarket shop in me got that a phenom actually. I love corned beef. Straight out of the tin. No, about them something. No, they pan set and just take that out of the tin and put it on a piece of bread. Little onion, little black pepper.
Oh.
Yeah.
Same.
I have it with some rice or
White rice or white rice, or you know, you make two nice cute dumpling.
You make dumpling with them near Tanaania?
Girl, you know, me know for you make dumpling with spoon though.
Oh.
You have to learn. You have to learn. You have to turn your hand make fashion.
Grace, turn up the heat. Grace, turn
I have to get a husband after this. But no, ask you. This husband meal.
Grace, turn up.
Miss, nobody not see you over there. But mind your business. Facing my husband meal. What happened?
Turn up the heat in the kitchen. Grace, turn up the heat in the kitchen. Turn it up. Grace, turn up the heat in the kitchen.
Me think me win.
You know when yet the races.
Will it?
Okay.
Look there. Talk to me.
When I come in for my food, talk to my food nice. Talk to my food nice.
Look here. Talk to me. I'm ready.
Cute.
I'm ready to
Che.
eat.
Che.
I heard that you two are actually good friends. So we want to put that friendship to the test with a quiz. What's Cecile's middle name?
Cecile's middle name is Claudine.
What's Tanania's middle name?
Tahira.
What high school did Cecile go to?
All girls school, Bishop Gibson.
What high school did Tanaania go to?
Nana School, Immaculate.
What is Cecile's favorite food?
Cecile very Jamaican, so she like rice and peas and chicken back.
What is Tanania's favorite food?
Cabbage and saltfish.
What is Cecile's TRN number?
Girl, 1 million, cause I'm money woman, so she have something like that, TRN.
Does Tanaania prefer coffee or tea?
The opposite of me. Tea.
Does Tanaania like a good book or a good series?
Series.
Cecile is kind of both, so good binge and good book.
In which parish was Cecile born?
Manchester.
Is Cecile heels or sneakers kind of girl?
Cecile is definitely a dressy girl, so it's heels.
Is Tanaania heels or sneakers kind of girl?
Sneakers.
One thing Cecile can't leave home without.
Definitely can't leave home without her phone.
Our phone.
When is Tanania's birthday?
November 27.
What is Tanania's favorite thing about you? What is Cecile's favorite thing about you?
You know, says me do a dub for her name boss, right? So we've discussed this. I think she like the boss thing. Yeah, boss girl.
Cecile's favorite thing about me, I'd assume is that I make her laugh.
Where is Tanania's dream vacation destination?
I don't know. I'm gonna say Dubai because we're planning a trip. I don't business where she wanna go.
The lady go everywhere, so she not dream of nowhere. She been all the places. You know when you graduate and you go up and them shake your hand and give you your certificate seat here. Is this a get? This. Ah, see ya.
Corned beef tacos and this corned beef pasta looks so good, right? No, but well, Cecile said the corned beef pasta ready to go in Parliament, and this look like it ready to take me on vacation.
Thank you.
Boy, I feel like I need to talk to somebody at Grace to up this gym membership with all this food. Things about to get serious.
Guys, I need you to comment below which Grace product would you invent for a chance to win one of 3 $100 Amazon gift cards. If you're not subscribed, you cannot win. Comment which Grace product would you invent, all right?
T, you have to tell him says $100 US.
$100 US.
Not Jamaican dollar.
100 USD.
So I'm gonna try the corned beef taco first.
Try.
Ready to rumble?
You hear the sea? The shore? Yeah, the waves. Yeah, we're in a tropical paradise. It's coming, yeah. Get a crunch.
Never too crunchy.
So, yeah. The cheese melting on the top. Come, Talia, tell the people that. Boy, go. Boy, go, Talia.
I can take one more bite?
Yeah, girl, go.
Okay.
It's yours.
Grace, turn up the heat.
It's nice you have to eat it twice.
Hurry up.
There is no question.
The salsa on top really
Give it the little buzz.
Girl, you have to clear your palate.
Okay,
let some Kathleen speak water. Okay. Because I don't want to dim your excitement.
Okay, all
You're
right.
coming over here.
You don't want me mess it up?
No, I don't want you mess it up.
So, okay.
Yeah. Clear it. Yeah.
Okay.
All right, give me back. Put it back in. Yeah. Okay. You hear the angels singing? You don't hear
Tanaania
it?
said no.
You see that big something when she scoop out? Yeah, girl.
All right, I want to make sure I got some cheese
Get some of the
too.
red, green, and gold in there. Yeah.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
No lie, you know.
Take your time.
Tell her say a tree she gets out
Savor
of
the goodness.
Tell her,
Savor
see
it.
So believe it or not, the cheese added something extra
Yeah?
Yeah.
to the creamy goodness of
Yeah.
this pasta.
Alfredo beef pasta.
Yes, bougie
Don't
on a
tell me.
budget,
Stay.
but I must say it actually tastes better than it looks.
Cecile, take the this,
Talk to
man.
me.
Take the L.
Talk to me.
It's good.
No, sir, this nice.
Yeah? 10 out of 10.
No,
Is that chef make this?
no. All right, I could just give up tea. Just admit.
Yeah, you can't
But
tell them
I
say
wish
load.
you need to taste.
Concede then. Come now. No, man.
So who do you
People.
think win?
Me, for sure.
The only edge that this person had was their meal had a little bit more spice and presentation. So the winner is Tanaania.
Thief me, them rob me. Me not tell no lie.
Just
Them
a
rob me.
little. You see that salsa on the
No,
top?
no.
It's the salsa. It's the salsa.
Me uninvite you, I'm out. You can't.
Thank you two so much for joining us for today's Face Off. My taste buds were not disappointed. Well done. And to our viewers, thank you so much for tuning in. We hope you join us next time on Chilling with Grace. In the meantime, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Grace Foods and follow us on all our social media platforms at Grace Foods for these and other recipes. See you later.
Turn up the